All right. So Zach is loud as hell in here. So we about to go ride, hit some twisties. You know, I shined up the exhaust. Y'all saw that in the last video, and it's already changing back colors, but at least it still has that sheen to it. We got Vanessa out here on the 883. She rolling. She got the heated gear on up under there. And then we got Zach right here, who one of these days we gonna race. And I'm pretty confident that he might win, but I think I could take him. I think I could take him. You think I could take you, Zach? Zach. Hey, Zach, you think I could take you in a race?
Not a chance.
Infinit Ryda.
You got Zachy. You got her. I forgot who I'm dealing with here.
Infinit Ryda.
Woo! I don't see you back there. Did I leave you in my dust? I think I left you in my dust. Woo! Oh, we kind of left Vanessa back there. All right, let's have some fun. All right, so we're on my favorite road. We're heading out towards Concord, towards an Indian dealership. And this is Zach's favorite type of road. He loves twisties. So let's see how he handles it, shall we? Oh, he's coming past. Y'all see he rides that road glide like a sport bike. Oh, we can't have fun because of this truck in front of us. I'm pulling back so I can have fun on this curve. I'll let Vanessa pass me. So these are the good times, y'all. Coming out and riding, having a good time on them good old country roads. Don't got to worry about no traffic. Don't have to worry about no lights. You can open it up in the corner if you want to. These are the best roads to ride on. And I know one of my subscribers asked, what type of roads are the good roads to ride on, or I like to ride on? You go out wherever you at, you find you a good country road where it's farms and all kind of stuff like that, and you'll have a good time because it's some good twisty roads. Let's see Vanessa take this curve. Oh, she got it. Yeah, that girl a rider. So we've been on this road for a little bit and we have not come across a single light. Those are the roads you want to be on because you can do stuff like this. And you can do stuff like this. Oh, the truck is leaving. The truck is leaving. Come on, Zachy. Come on, Zachy. What you got, Zachy? You got more. Where you at? I let off the throttle. That's the only way you got past. It looked like you almost wheelied. All right, y'all. Y'all want to see what we can do? I'm not gonna get ridiculous. I ain't gonna take him. I ain't gonna give him my all. All right, we stopped. Ready, go. Oh, I hit my rev limiter. I hit my rev limiter twice. That's the only reason I didn't shift fast enough. No, y'all don't think he can take me. It's just I hit that rev limiter twice. That's the only reason. The only reason. Oh, hold on. We're Vanessa. We went way too fast. All right, we gonna have to do that again. All right, I'm gonna let Vanessa pass me up. She riding with the crew. So Vanessa's on an 883, and a lot of people feel like an 883 cannot ride with the big bikes or keep up. I'm not a big bike, but Zach's a big bike, and Vanessa be hanging right there. So if you're looking at an 883, you know, and you plan on just doing some short trips, some short rides, go get it. You'll have a blast. Like, these are very sporty bikes. They're fun to take on roads like this. Now, if you plan on riding somewhere far, then no, because you're gonna be sore. Your ass gonna be hurting, your back gonna be hurting. Like, these are not long range riders like Zach's bike, but you got some fun. You can be cold just like we are. I'm freezing. Vanessa ain't that cold though. So we're yeah, that's a limited. Now that boy cold. He ain't even got nothing on his face. Vanessa a G. She handling the cold probably better than me because I'm freezing. Yep, gotta touch that engine. I'm gonna change the name to the Infinit Ryda in the summer. Not the winter. Welcome to Right Now of Concord, North Carolinas. It is cold. I'm happy we're here. We can try to get warm real quick. So we're at Right Now. They got an Indian in here too. Oh, look at the Suzuki scooter. Oh, oh, it's cold.
Infinit Ryda.
You look good on there, boy. You look good. We just found out how great the quality is on these Indians. Show them that bag again, Zach. I think it just needs tightened up. I do like the look of this one though. I think it's the color. That color looks good. Man, we got the Scout right here. That's basically the Sportster. Now, I will say there's some pretty nice bikes. They're powerful. That's the regular Scout, right? Now, I will say that this is a ugly bike to me. I don't like the way these look at all. Now, I do like the paint job on here. I just like the paint and the red on the engine. But the shape, I can't do the shape. If I was to get an Indian, this would be the one, the FTR 1200. That's just because I like sporty riding bikes. And I love the colors on this thing. It's all my favorite colors. Let me get these gloves on. So it looks like a lot of the dealerships, because manufacturers haven't been producing bikes, are extremely low on inventory. This is the lowest inventory I've ever seen at Right Now. I want to hear this exhaust. Rev it up. Oh, it sounds good, don't it? Hold on. Let's hear Zach's. Let's hear Zach. Yeah, that sounds good too. Both of theirs sound better than my exhaust, I think. All right, time to freeze my ass off. I know, I'm gonna cut this and she get, oh shoot. Did she get in? Oh God, come on, come on. She bought that life. I forgot who I'm dealing with here. So this was a nice fun ride. We got to come out here, have a little bit of fun. Traffic is a pain in the butt. One thing Zach just pointed out to me while we was up in the dealership is Indian is constantly living in Harley's shadow. Like, from looking at those bikes, they literally look like cheaper made knockoffs of Harley-Davidsons. The only bike that I saw in there that I feel like is unique and even has the quality that you would expect from one of the top motorcycle manufacturers, which Indian isn't anymore, but is the FTR 1200. That's their only unique bike where it feels like they stepped out on a limb and designed something completely different. And I feel like that's what they need to keep doing. They need to keep stepping out on limbs and designing something completely different. Don't copy off of a successful manufacturer that's already making bikes that looks like yours, because you're gonna fail. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. It's the Popo. Like, I literally don't, that doesn't make sense. If I don't know if y'all could hear Zach, but what he just said was the Indian Challenger. They basically were making something to try to compete with the Harley Road Glide, because the Harley Road Glide is one of your top selling cruisers. But they created the Challenger, which I'm not gonna lie, it feels lighter than the Road Glide, but the quality of it just is not there. It's not going to be a Road Glide. Like, you can't try to reproduce a Road Glide. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. So if people are looking to get a Road Glide, guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna go get a Road Glide. See Vanessa rolling with that turn. She learned that at the riding academy. She done got them ride skills down packed. Nah, she didn't really learn that at the riding academy. She done got way better since the riding academy. The riding academy taught her the basics. And now Vanessa is a beast out here on these streets, son. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't know. That turn. That turn. I spoke a little bit sooner. That turn was a little sketchy. It was a little sketch. Come on, Vanessa. Light it up, girl. I might have to go around Vanessa. Sorry, baby. So that is what you call a fun winter day ride. We had some fun. We got out here and rode. We did a little mini race, which I beat Zach. No, he took me, but that was just, he did. We gonna do it again. He only took me because I hit my rev limiter. So yeah, that happened. But we're gonna try it again real quick. This is just for the YouTube community. This ain't official. All right, right here. Okay. Wait, I'm doing 20. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh shit. He took me. I give it to him. I ain't even red line. I did hit the red line. He took me. We gonna have to do it again. I gotta figure out where my red line is. I think I shifted too soon. But my first gear is so damn short. It's like the shortest ever. I ain't afraid of no racing.